Simplicity Landlord hydrostatic. Cool. Well, this machine keeps dying every 15 minutes. Let's see what I could find here. It's out of fuel, which is good. Does that say flow? That arrow's pointed the other way. Okay. That's probably not the issue, but I will fix that. I think the issue is the carburetor. This is a Kohler K series engine. This thing, oh, hey. The pre-filter there's got some grass on it. It's not too bad. It's pretty, mostly clean. Okay, I forgot a screwdriver. Oops. Yeah, there's still some fuel in here. Okay, not too worried about that. When these are stuck on, just take something like wrench, screwdriver handle, whatever, and give the bowl a tap. Alright, that's exactly what I thought would be in there. Gross. Well, that's a problem. That is the bolt that holds the bowl on to the carburetor, and the seal is focused. Dang it! The seal's junk. Alright, I'll be fixing that later. Well, yeah, it's pretty much like sand. Also, I put an O-ring on the little bolt there. We'll see how that does. Spray. Alright, we're back together. Just got to put the wing nut on. I have the air filter, fuel filter in the correct direction. Please focus, you know what, screw it. It's not going to focus. But that fuel filter's in the correct direction now. Carburetor's all cleaned with some good quality gum out carb cleaner. Where's the wing nut? Oh. So now, put the wing nut back on. Yeah, my gloves went a little loose. Whatever. And this is ready to start. But unfortunately, the battery's dead. So it's not ready to start. I lied. Alrighty, it's the next week, and this machine is still having problems. It'll just stall out like it's running out of fuel only when the engine gets hot enough. However, if I run it with the hood open, the engine stays cool enough and it runs perfectly fine. If it was an ignition issue, I checked the coil, but I don't think it's an ignition issue. It feels like a almost like a fuel starvation issue, except it's getting plenty of fuel. So I'm checking the valves, and this does not want to go through. Okay, so that's the intake valve. That's focus. Focus. That's a 10 thousandths gauge here, and it's not going through. So that valve has stretched over time. I'm going to check the exhaust with the 17 thousandths. Oh, it fits through just fine. Exhaust is fine. That's good. Let's try going a little larger to 19 thousandths. Yeah, slightly snug. Alright, we're fine. Just the intake needs to be adjusted.